Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this comparison are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using both banks. When deciding between JPMorgan Chase and Capital One, the best choice hinges on your individual banking needs, preferred level of service access, and the specific financial products you require. JPMorgan Chase, a banking giant in the US, offers a comprehensive suite of services catering to diverse financial needs. From premium credit cards with attractive rewards programs and small business loans to mortgages and robust wealth management platforms, Chase provides a one-stop solution. Its extensive network of branches and ATMs across the country, combined with a user-friendly mobile app and online banking platform, makes it a compelling choice for consumers and business owners who appreciate having all their financial affairs managed in one place. Capital One, conversely, has established its reputation on simplicity, competitive interest rates, and fee-free banking options. Their 360 checking and savings accounts typically come with minimal fees and often boast above-average annual percentage yields, APYs, making them attractive to savers aiming to maximize their returns. Capital One's credit card offerings are also noteworthy, especially for those who prefer straightforward rewards programs and travel-oriented benefits. While Capital One does maintain a physical presence through branches in select metropolitan areas and Capital One cafes, its reach doesn't rival Chase's extensive network. However, if you prioritize digital banking and value a streamlined online experience, Capital One's approach may be ideal. Both institutions provide excellent customer service through various support channels. Chase's strength lies in its broad range of services, making it well-suited for more complex financial situations, such as small business expansion and investment management. Capital One's strength resides in its simplicity, affordable accounts, and digital focus, appealing to customers seeking to minimize fees and efficiently manage their finances online. If nationwide accessibility, a wide selection of top-tier credit cards, and a comprehensive suite of financial products are your priorities, JPMorgan Chase could be the better option. Conversely, if low fees, robust online banking capabilities, high-yield savings accounts, and straightforward credit card rewards programs are more important to you, Capital One might be a more suitable choice. Carefully consider these factors in relation to your individual financial needs and goals to determine which institution best aligns with your overall financial strategy.